Hello, this is Unamas again signing in YouTube. And I know you guys you know about Yahoo chat room is closing, about the news that Yahoo chat room is closing today. Today is December 14 here in the Philippines. So this will be my last online Yahoo chat messenger public rooms. I'm in MMB10 and I do have a mask here. I use my Go made by Arpor here. And uh, this may be the last time I will have a chance to make some BC mass here in the room because Yahoo is updating today. Maybe later there will be no chat rooms and some features of Yahoo may be updated, but some features will be gone. Some Yahoo tools may be patched, uh, or I may say it will be patched. Okay, Yahoo is updating it. Many tools will be patched and not work. Just let's just wait until Yahoo chatroom is updated, or what if you may come back or not. Don't know. I'm using my here my GOP. Okay, I do have a massing here. So this will be the last time you'll see me making this video. And bye guys. Bye Yahoo chat. I hope you come back 1 2 days from now, or a week, 2 weeks, maybe a month. So bye Yahoo chat, and see you when I see you. Bye guys.